Hey, what's up everybody? Ben with American Equipment. I wanted to bring you another video today to show you the new 2020 Kubota SVL65 units. This is a 68 horsepower unit, gross horsepower. Just want to give you a brief overview of what the unit looked like up close. There's a diesel flow on the side of the unit. Show you a look at the tracks here. Give you a walk around of the unit. These are standard flow. Show you inside the engine compartment and the cab here in just a second. Easy access to all your grease zerks. Hydraulic oil fill right there. Lights on the back. Antenna back there for the radio if you choose to have a radio. Come over here to the other one. Show you the inside of the unit right there. Battery access, coolant, air filter, your dipsticks right in there, oil fill. There's your filter back in there and your fuel. Water separator. Take a look at the inside of the cab here and show you guys that. There's your hydraulic oil check. Pretty interesting how they put it on the cab or the inside of the cab. Air ride seats. I do love how many openings they have for your heat and air. In here it really circulates the heat and air around in these cabs. Come inside here, that's where your radio would go if you have radio. There's your controls right there. Heat and air. A nice footrest right there. Foot pedal. Screen and then your controls on the side. And then it's got the fuse box right there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it, guys. This was just a brief overview of the new SVL65s. Not running them today, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at what those look like, so you can just check them out. So, any questions? Feel free to ask. Might do one here of it operating pretty soon, but yeah, pretty sweet, guys.